Are you 40 years old or 51 like me and you don't know how to lose weight, how to tone your body? Well, welcome. My name is Paola. This is Yoga After 40, and in this channel we embrace aging because you're never too old and it's never too late for you to start your yoga journey and for you to feel comfortable in your own body. In this channel, I want to help you tone your body. I want to help you lose weight, burn fat, and regain confidence. So if you're ready, today we're going to start in downward facing dog. So coming into your downward facing dog, spread both your fingers and then start pressing yourself up, sending the hips back and up. Start finding movement in here, coming high on the toes. Shake your head yes. Shake your head no. So bring your feet a little closer together. Take a deep breath in and sweep your right leg all the way up to the sky. Come high on the left toes. Bring the right knee to nose or knee to chest. Transfer the weight forward so you're stacking the shoulders over the wrists, pressing the mat away, rounding the spine. Now take your right leg all the way back and up. Come high on the left toes. Bring the right knee to nose one more time, or knee to chest, rounding the spine. Pressing the mat away so you engage your shoulders. Now take your right leg all the way back and up. And we're going to step the right foot on the outside of the right hand. And we're coming into a lizard lunge. So from here, start sinking the hips a little bit lower towards the mat. Your right knee is hugging the right tricep. So now we're going to start straightening the front leg, coming high on the right heel. Fold over the right leg. Now bend the knee and look up. Again, we're going to fold forward, coming high on the right leg and high on the right heel. And then come back down. We're going to do it again. So come all the way up. And then come down. From here, we're going to pivot the body to face the left side of the mat. Make sure that your right foot is facing the left corner of the mat. Taking your hands to prayer. We're coming into Skandasana, low side lunge. And now from here, we're going to transfer the weight onto the other side, to the left leg. And we're going to transition, coming into Skandasana on the left leg, low side lunge. And then we're going to come back into the right side. So if you don't have the strength yet to switch back and forth, feel free to take your hands to the mat and use the strength of the arms to help you bring the body up and then come back down. And we're going to do this 10 times. So back on the left, come all the way up, back to the right, and then come back up. Other side. Keep breathing in here. So we want to make sure that we synchronize every breath with every move. Keep breathing. Keep moving. Just believe in yourself. Enjoy the process. Enjoy the journey. And we keep moving towards the right. And now to the left. Now to the right. Now to the left. One more time. Come back to the right. Now pivot the body to frame the right leg. Press the mat away. Step your right leg back. We're coming into a high plank. Keep a straight back in here. High on the toes. Pressing the mat away. Straight back. And now press yourself into your downward facing dog. How are we doing? Breathing here. So bring your feet a little closer together. Sweep your left leg all the way up to the sky. Come high on the right toes. Bring the left knee to nose or knee to chest. Transfer the weight forward so your shoulders are over the wrist. Round the spine. Sweep your left leg all the way back and up, high on the right toes. Bring the left foot to the outside of the left hand, coming into your lesser lunge. Make sure that your back leg is floating over the mat, and your left knee is hugging the left tricep. Keep sinking the hips a little bit lower. And now we're going to start transferring the weight into the right leg, straining in the left leg, folding over the left thigh. High on the left toes, the left heel. Now bend the knee, come high on the back foot. Come all the way up, straining in the front leg. Inhale, bend the knee, look up. Exhale, fold over the left leg. Inhale. Exhale, fold. Inhale, bend the front knee. Sink the hips down, look up. Exhale, comes on the back leg and high on the left heel. Bend the knee one more time, look up. Come all the way up. Come back down. And from here, we're gonna come into Skandasana on the left leg. So the left foot is facing the top right corner of the mat. Hands to prayer or hands to the mat. Whatever feels better in here. And now we're gonna transfer the weight to the right leg. So you either use the strength of the right leg or take your hands to the mat and then transition into the other side. So we're doing this 10 times. So this is 7, this is 6, this is 5, and 4. Keep breathing. 3, 2, 1. Now we're gonna come back into the left leg, framing the left foot. Step your left leg back, come back into your high plank. Make sure that you shift the weight forward, so you don't wanna be here, you wanna be here. So you're high on the toes, spread all 10 fingers, pressing the mat away, shoulders are engaged, glutes are slightly engaged, core is engaged. Now bring the knees to the mat, coming to your happy baby. So press yourself up, coming into your tabletop, tuck your toes, and transition into your downward facing dog. Now bring your feet a little closer together. Inhale, sweep your right leg all the way up to the sky. Open the hips, bend the knee, and from here we're gonna come into a tabletop. So adjust the body, send the hips up, press the mat away, look up, flat back, engage your inner thighs, engage your glutes. And now we're gonna bring the feet a little closer together, and we're gonna take the right leg up. And now bring it down, and bring it up, bring it down, bring it up, bring it down, bring it up, bring it down, bring it up, bring it down to the mat, bring it up, bring it down, almost done, bring it up, bend the knee, take it back to the mat, bring your left leg down, up, bring it down, bring it up, Bring it down, bring it up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Bend the knee, bring it down to the mat. Give yourself a hug. Sit high in your sit bones. Now come back into your reverse tabletop. From here, we're gonna come back into our floating tabletop. We're gonna tuck the toes and we're gonna press ourselves back into our downward facing dog. Now bring your feet a little closer together. Inhale, sweep your left leg all the way up to the sky. Bend the knee. Flip your dog and come into your reverse tabletop. Sending the hips all the way up. Now we're gonna bring the hips back to the mat. So your hips are floating. See if you can bring your right leg up and take your left hand to tap your right foot. Come back up, look up. So we're pressing through the left hand. The right hand touches the left foot. Bring it down. Send the hips up, look up. So we're gonna do this 10 times. So 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come back into your reverse tabletop. Press the mat away. Lift up the hips. Keep it straight back. Keep pressing the mat away. Engage your inner thighs. Slightly engage your glutes. Then bring the hips back to the mat. Give yourself a hug. Beautiful job, guys. From here, we're coming into our bow pose. So start straightening the legs. Look up. Arms are reaching forward. And we're breathing here for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And we're gonna hover a few inches off the mat. And we're here for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then come out. Bend the knees. Give yourself a hug. Beautiful job, guys. So we're gonna lay flat on the mat. And we're gonna reach the arms forward. So we're gonna start using our core to bring the legs up and our hands to touch the feet or our feet to touch the mat. So bring the legs up, use your core, lift the hips, feet to touch the hands. Slowly with control, we're gonna come down. So control the landing, bring the legs up, lift up the hips, hands to touch or feet to touch. Same thing, right? There you go. Come back up and touch. Using that core. Breathing with intention. Don't hold your breath. We're building strength in here. Building core. Getting that core strong. Let's do this, guys. We got this. We're older. We're old. But we got this. Just because we're over 40 doesn't mean we can't do it, right? Almost done. Keep believing in yourself. Don't give up. Strong mindset. Almost done. Yes, I know I keep saying that. Okay, so 2 more. We got this. Last one. Now bring the knees to the chest. Give yourself a hug. Rock side to side. Now here we're gonna come into happy baby. Bring your feet all the way up. Grab the outside of the feet. Rock side to side. If that feels good, or find stillness. Maybe pulling the knees a little closer to the ground, to the mat. Opening the hips, stretching the inner thighs, groins. Knees are facing out. Now bring the sole of the feet together for your reclined butterfly. Pressing the feet towards the hands. Knees are facing out. Elbows are hugging the ribcage. And your shoulders are flat on the mat. And you relax the neck, the face, the lips, the eyes, and just surrendering here. Whenever you're ready, slowly with control, we're gonna keep the feet together. Knees are facing out still. And we take the arms by the side, letting the armpits breathe. And just relaxing the whole body in here. Taking this moment to dive inwards, to connect to your breath, to connect to your inner self, to create to our Creator, to connect to our Creator, to connect to our Creator. Practicing gratitude, feeling grateful for who you are, for your family, for your friends, and for everything you have in your life. So stay here for as long as you want. I hope you enjoyed today's class, just like the other classes that we have done. I want to help you regain confidence. I want to help you get that summer body that you have always dreamed about. I'm here for you, so let me know in the comment section below if you have any class requests. I love you all. Please comment, share, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done it yet. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Thank you so much for letting me be part of your journey.